Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make appear user folder icon on Windows 10 desktop. For this, first click on this one start button, then select settings. In the settings window, click on this one personalization. In the left sidebar, click on this one themes. On the extreme right under related settings, click this one link desktop icon settings. In the pop-up window, you need to check this one option users files, then click on this one apply button, then hit OK. Now on your Windows 10 PC you can see users folder icon.